Hi there. This is a quick little video on a Jeep Grand Cherokee CRD 2007, the diesel version, I guess. The Jeep was starting fine when it was cold, and then after we had run a bit, we parked the Jeep and then couldn't start it again. So I wanted to quickly run you through what we found because we couldn't find it anywhere else. Anyways, I put the key in, and you get the glow plugs come on, which is the second one, and then goes back down. And then with it cold, the Jeep would fire up, which it's fired up now. And again, with it, once we had run a bit, it would not start again. It wouldn't do anything. So we came first and we checked the relay here. This one here. Right there, pour it in. Third one. That's the starting relay. So we swapped that out and it didn't do anything. And then my son decided we looked for a fuse. He said it would be a fuse and I didn't believe it. And this here fuse, the 40 amp, right there, we ended up swapping that out and it solved the problem. So basically a $10 fix. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Good luck if you're having problems starting your Jeep.